Hey there, travel lovers. Before we dive in, make sure to scan that QR code popping up on your screen right now. It'll take you straight to all the booking details for this incredible spot. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Picture this, a cozy, stylish duplex just a stone's throw from Gramado's charming city center, where luxury meets comfort in the most delightful way. Welcome to 3 Suites Calm Jacuzzi y Lareira, your perfect home away from home. This place is all about indulgence, with not 1, not 2, but 3 gorgeous suites, each featuring its very own jacuzzi and fireplace. Imagine sinking into bubbling warm water after a day of exploring, with the flickering glow of a fire setting the mood. Pure magic, right? And it's not just about the suites. This apartment is packed with perks. You've got a fully equipped kitchen if you feel like whipping up a meal, a spacious dining area for those fun group dinners, and even a lovely balcony with garden views to sip your morning coffee. Plus, there's a hot tub for the ultimate relaxation session. And yes, they've got a dressing room because why not add a little extra glam to your stay? When the weather's nice, fire up the barbecue and enjoy some alfresco dining with your crew. And with free Wi-Fi and a handy workspace, you can stay connected if you absolutely must, though we highly recommend unplugging as much as possible. The location couldn't be better. You're super close to Gramado's top spots, like the enchanting Black Lake, the stunning St. Peter's Church, and the Festival's Palace. Plus, parking's a breeze with free private spots on site. So, what are you waiting for? If this sounds like your dream getaway, and let's be real, how could it not? Grab those dates and book your stay now. Don't forget, that QR code's your golden ticket to securing this slice of paradise. Happy travels and see you in Gramado.